roaring in the morning sun.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video, tag along as I uninstall my 5-month temporary locks. I thought I would stay with them longer, but nope. I think they've served me well for the 5 months, but it's time to get rid of them because one, they're kinda shaggy. Look at the hair, imebald outside. Yeah. Two, the retouch is painful to my scalp. Every time I get a retouch, napata those two stuff za kukazwa nywele. Even if the salonist I try to lessen the tightening, that still happens to my scalp because I have retouched this hair twice since installation, and I've had only one person do my hair. She did the first time, it was tight. I removed it within the first 1 week, and then she redid it, but with less pressure or less twisting, but still I got those stuff. So yeah, another reason I want to get rid of them is that my easy nywele candle. Do you see how, like, I fear that this hair will come out because the dreadlock inaanzia hapa. Yeah, so I fear that itatoka na nywele. I might end up not having easy nywele za kando. I hope not. Yeah, actually it's that side more, but like both sides I fear that yeah, itakatika. I know there's a lot of build-up, and that's another reason why I am getting rid of it, because personally nimeshindwa vile nitatoa the build-up. Yeah, and it kinda looks dirty, and I washed it last week. So yeah, it's because of the build-up. I didn't know how to get rid of the build-up. Yeah, so let me give you guys a little backstory about my hair journey. And about 1 or 2 years ago, I dyed my hair. It was relaxed. I dyed my hair with white dye, but it came out blonde, and it was such a good color, though my aim was having it in white. And you guys showed so much support in the video. Actually, it has a lot of views. It's among my videos that has so many views. Yeah, so after I placed the white dye that turned my hair to blonde, I cut short my hair because it was damaged. Like 4 or 5 months down the line, it was so damaged, so uneven, and then it was less kwa kichwa, ilikuwa kidogo. So I cut it short, and then I dyed my hair white again, the white that I initially wanted. And I loved the hairstyle, and I also shaved thinking that it's less work. I didn't know it wasn't. Yeah, my hair was short and not easy to maintain. And then I started plaiting. So months after plaiting, I said, let me put on these temporary locks and see whether my hair will grow. So here I am 5 months later, and yeah, let's see if it has grown. Another thing, I fingers crossed to the uninstallation, because I have seen videos in the internet where people lose a lot of hair, and yes, your hair would have grown, but like you lose so much hair during the uninstallation process. I'm not uninstalling it in the place where I installed it. I have opted for a house call, and this person sent me pictures of the dreadlocks she has uninstalled. So it's all about risking and having leap of faith that everything goes well. So enough of the stories. Here I am, just sampling my hair and admiring it the last time before I get rid of it. So let's start the process. The salonist arrived and here we are. She got started and she walked me through the process step by step, explaining to me what she's doing. So she had to remove the artificial locks to separate the artificial locks from my hair, and some of my hair strands had locked themselves. In short, I had dreadlocks. If I wanted dreadlocks, I would have continued with the locks I have. Yeah, so that's what she was doing as per now. She also was talkative, so I didn't get bored. We were just making stories to pass time.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
So she was done with the first step, and this is how my hair looked. Some of my hair strands were locked, some were not, but she assured me that she will be able to remove the locked strands. She then wet my hair with water and added this conditioner. This conditioner is so good. She even commented about it. She told me that most conditioners are not as moisturizing as this one. With the other conditioner, it dries up within 15 minutes, so you have to add water and add conditioner again. But with this one, it was so good. It made my hair so manageable. I didn't even feel the slightest pain. Imagine, sikusikia uchungu at all. And I loved the fact that she was undoing the lock and then combing it out, so I didn't feel the pain even later on while I was combing my hair. I would 100% recommend this salonist. So if you want to uninstall your locks and you would like me to give you the number, kindly comment in the comment section below.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Here's me without the dreadlocks, and yeah, all going, and my hair is dirty because of the build up and stuff. And she was tugging my hair right after doing the locks, but it's still tangled, so she has advised me to put on conditioner and sleep with it, and then in the morning I can wash it. So that's what I'm going to do. And here's the much hair I lost during the process. Look at that. Don't mind me chafu, tulikuwa tumetupa chini. I had to okota to show you guys how much of hair I lost, but I think she was kinda careful, or else I would have lost so much hair. So yeah, this is how much hair I lost. Ni mob. Again, usijali uchafu yake.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
But anyway, I'm glad about this one. So yeah, I will let me put on conditioner, then I'll straighten it, and then I'll show you guys the final growth. Yeah.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So here is my hair after detangling, and the conditioner understood its assignment because I didn't feel pain at all. Yeah. I had just washed my hair and was length checking, and this is a photo of me and the length of my hair during the installation process, and here is my hair length now after uninstalling. I'll let you guys be the judge, but personally for 5 months I think that was a small growth. It's either my hair didn't grow during those 5 months or ilikatika, because you saw how much hair I lost during the uninstallation process. And I also think that different hair types behave differently. So baby girl, if you have weak hair, please don't try this artificial locks. Please don't try, or else you'll remain bald. But if you have nice strong hair, go for it. I have seen guys having very nice length after uninstalling the artificial locks. I also think I uninstalled it way too early, and it's because of the reasons I gave previously. Yeah. Being African, you really have a lot of shrinkage. Look at the difference between my blow-dried hair and unblow-dried hair. Hey, but I'm a proud African Kenyan girl. So personally, I have weak hairline, and as you guys can see, I don't have hair. More so on one side of my head. Yeah, I lost so much hair, but well, that's the length of my hair as per now. And yeah, that was the whole installation process. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope this video will help you in one way or another. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.